chewy strong.
I hate.
That's why I like French Baker coffee na. Their coffee just hits. Talagang hindi ako makatulog while I drink their coffee. The concert's coming up and I still don't have an outfit. I mean, meron naman ako outfit na very, very simple. Mas okay yun sa akin para comfy. At the same time, hindi ko alam. So, I went to go find makeup. Itong batang to, naglagalag. Tapos pumunta pala siya sa parents namin. Alala pa ako. Akala ko, napunta. Because I tried on a lipstick. And it's really pretty. And it's smudge proof. Pero bullet lang. Kaya I want to get it. I might get it. I don't know. Ito yung color. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko talaga alam if I should get it. Or I can get it online. So, I might not. Self-control. Self-control. I just bought this for school. And then this. What else? This for school. Oh, for school. I hate school. Haha. My mom's buying Converse. I bought concert shoes. Everyone, so we're here at our current room. This is our initial room. We stayed at my lolo's house for about like 2 nights. And it was okay naman. Kaso dun kasi natutulog yung lolo ko. And ayaw naman makabala sila. Natutulog sila sa kabilang bahay. And yun. Kaya we're gonna stay here. I just arrived here actually. My mom and dad's picking up our other luggage kasi wala kaming car. Motor lang kami. Tapos, they're buying, food. You guys wanna see the place? I wanna see the place. I can't see the place. There's a pool there. Obviously. They have that one that's really nice. This place is really nice. Nakita niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? There's the other pool. Pretty. It's dark, so I can't see it. I can see the outside. I want to see the van there. May van dun. I don't know what that is. It's a house. Slay. Hello, say hi sa vlog. Mag-hi kayo, Lu. Alam mo.
Ano?
Nagwi-video ko, Lo.
Ano?
Ano yan?
Video? Paano video?
Video.
Oh.
Say hi. Mag-hi kayo sa fans niyo, Lo.
Okay.
Ganyan, ganyan.
Hi. Hi to everyone. I would like to disclose to you a mystery.
Ano po?
Hindi ako marunong.
Right now, I'm currently preparing for Bidasan? Bakit Bidasan pa rin ang ate mo, girl? I'm currently preparing for follow in Bulacan tour. Wala pa akong tulog kasi pumunta ako dito, nakarating ko ng mga 9. Then, magtatanim. Tapos, naglinis ako ng house, ng condo. So, wala akong time para matulog kasi super duper dumi niya. I wish I was kidding when I say na ang dumi niya. Sana nagiging exaggerate ako pag sinabi ko ngayon na ang dumi niya.